So, guys, I did it. Everything that I've been working towards to accomplish and finish this Jetta, which that'll probably never be the case because there's always something new to do. I decided to order myself an ECU. Stage 2. The car's all ready, everything's been done. This is, I'm gonna shout out to Low Life Tuning. They did my tune for me, and they sent it to me, got it here in 3 days. It's all the way over in New York, so from what I know, it's in New York. Yep. Half Moon, New York. It's funny because when I got it, on the package it says, from Low Life Tuning, and then it says, to Michael, don't hurt the trans, Royce. Forgot to mention, they threw in some stickers. I'm assuming this is the tuner. It's, I know the company, or the Facebook page, you can find them on Facebook, is Low Life Tuning, but I think this guy might have tuned it. He might be the tuner, but it's Marty Tuned. So, something to keep in mind. Put him out there too, because he probably did the tune, so he deserves a shout out as well. Shout out, Marty! To install, we are going to first remove the battery. Not remove it completely, but disconnect the battery. Next, you are going to remove the caps for the windshield wipers. You're going to remove those bolts. For mine, I am using a 1/2-inch socket. I'm just taking these out. Now you gotta work on popping those out. So now that the windshield wipers are removed, you can remove the plastic, starting from the passenger side. Now that the plastic is removed, start removing the ECU by pulling on this plug or clip. And that clip right there. Now that the ECU is out, you have to install your new one. So here we go. Into the jungle. Putting in my ECU. You're just gonna slap in there. Slap it. Slap it. Okay. Now that it looks like it's installed, we're gonna assume it's installed. You're gonna take this plug. You're gonna put it in there. You guys out there that have put it in there before, you know what I'm talking about. To the virgins, I'm sorry. Then you're gonna clip that bitch. You're gonna take this bigger bitch, you know. This one's me, by the way. That one's you, to the rest of you. Just kidding. Don't take that offensively. It's supposed to clip in. I promise. Okay. Woo! The fuck is that? It's a psychotic dog, that's what that is. And now, you are going to put it all back together. Wapa! Now that it is done, we can test it out. That's way better than 10 pounds right there.